Today is not just a regular standard Erev Shabbos, it's Erev Rosh Chodesh. And the concept of Rosh Chodesh, especially in an Iber, a year where we add an extra Adar, has one central theme to it. And that theme is Achdus, is unity. And how do we know this? What's the connection between Achdus and Rosh Chodesh? Rosh Chodesh represents a month, and there are 12 months of the year. Each month represents a different segment and category of personality within Klal Yisrael. And the goal is to get them all together. And that's where the 13th month of Adar gets them together. Why is Rosh Chodesh connected to integrate all of Klal Yisrael, the 13 types, together? And the answer is because the concept of Rosh Chodesh is all about what we call tikkun of kitrug shnei malachim mishamshim b'keser echad. And the Levana comes to complain, how could there be two leaders both holding the presidency, the crown? And that was a tremendous kitrug. And as a result, HaKadosh Baruch Hu changed the nature of the Levana. And the Levana begins to wane and then wax. And the waxing of the Levana is a very phenomenal concept that represents the attempt to make an equation, an equality between the Chama, the sun, and the Levana. That's what the Iber Shana is all about, to add an extra month and equalize the solar calendar with the lunar calendar. And so the concept of Erev Rosh Chodesh, which is otherwise known as Erev Yom Kippur. What's the connection to Erev Yom Kippur? And this takes us back to the concept of a Tainis Tzibur, of a fast day, a public fast day. And the epitome of a public fast day is no doubt Yom Kippur. But there was a public fast day that was like Yom Kippur. There were 13 fasts in the case of Atziras Geshomim in Eretz Yisrael if the rains were not coming down. The sin of Pilug, of divisiveness, is what causes Atziras Geshomim, that the rains don't come down. And therefore, the concept of a tainus, of a fast, especially Yom Kippur, but every fast, and particularly Erev Rosh Chodesh, which is called Yom Kippur Katan, for those who have a custom to fast, is meant to bring us together, to do a rectification on that sin that caused Pilug when the Levana said, why? And God made the Levana into a smaller body. On this Rosh Chodesh, we really pray in a special way for Achdus, for one unity in Klal Yisrael, to have that 13th month that combines and equalizes Chama Levana and rectifies that Pilug. And this is because we're going through a Milchama here in Eretz Yisrael, and we need desperately that unity. In addition, it's Parshas Korach, which is all about Pilug and Machlokes. Let us dedicate ourselves to Shalom. Shalom is the greatest bracha of all. And if we could bring Shalom into our midst and into our hearts, then no doubt this Rosh Chodesh will signify the beginning of the Geula for Klal Yisrael. Yiratzeh may it be so, and that should be His will. Thank you, and Shabbat Shalom.